Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the APPatient medical app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. APPatient is a medical communication and management app designed to make healthcare easier for patients. Developed by Modernizing Medicine, it helps users connect directly with their healthcare providers, access medical records, manage appointments, and even handle telehealth visits, all in one place. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates seamlessly with clinic systems to ensure patients have access to important health information anytime, anywhere. The app's main feature is its patient portal, where users can securely message their doctors, check lab results, fill out digital forms, and make online payments. It also supports video consultations, allowing users to attend virtual appointments from the comfort of home. The interface is clean and simple, designed for easy navigation, especially for patients managing multiple appointments or ongoing care. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, reliability, and security when it comes to managing medical information. Features like online check-ins, real-time updates, and access to previous visit summaries make it especially helpful for people with chronic conditions or busy schedules. It reduces paperwork and waiting times while keeping everything organized digitally. However, there are some drawbacks. The app occasionally faces login or syncing issues, and some users report slow responses from in-app messaging depending on their provider's setup. Additionally, its functionality may vary based on which clinic or healthcare provider is using the platform, meaning not every feature works the same for all users. In summary, the APPatient app may be worth using if you want an all-in-one tool to stay connected with your healthcare provider, manage appointments, and access your health records securely. However, if your clinic doesn't fully support digital integration or you prefer traditional in-person communication, you might not find it essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.